If you need to cut a hole in your ceiling, but you're too worried about hitting wiring or plumbing on the other side, then my dad has a great tip for you. So unlike me, you should probably listen to him.
All right, so I got my drywall up. My wiring is just on the other side of this drywall, so I need to be very careful how I make my hole. So here's the trick. With your hole saw, you want to go backwards. Okay, so we're gonna get in for a sec, get our hole started forwards, just making a track, and now we're gonna go backwards. That way, it also loosens up your hole saw. But that way, if my wires happen to be hanging here, I wouldn't catch them on the sharp edge, I would hit them on the back edge.
Well, I hope my dad's tip helped you out. But did you notice what I noticed? He wasn't wearing a mask. You should always wear a mask when you're working around drywall dust. But don't worry, he's not anti-mask, he's just really good at holding his breath. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye! I said the outro wrong. Anyways, remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!